will get on this side, but it's not going to the other side.
Which is good.
Good. We're gonna make some scrambled eggs, by the way. So we're gonna have some scrambled eggs in one plate and some rice in another one.
That's right. So look at that.
Or we could have some rice in a bowl and look at it expanding. But Mom, if you literally look from right here, it's like it's like if you looked on the camera, it would look a little bit of like a yellow cheese blob.
Yeah, in the middle. That's interesting.
But if we were looking right here, we would see like something, like a little bit of orangeness, or almost a lot.
Oh, yeah?
It's like boiling the orangeness.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, it just looks like square. A square, no, circle SpongeBob.
Oh, look at the edges of it. It's starting to turn white. You think it's
the edges are turning white, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so
no, yeah, perfect. So you shake it a little bit.
So we're shaking the pan a little bit. By the way, I'm doing it if you want to know. If you want to know how I look, I'm right here.
Yeah, there's
right
Kieren. There's
Hi.
Kieren. Hi.
Yeah, I'm right here. This is pretty good, just, you know.
Oh, yeah. Looks like it's
up.
going to be cooked soon. Look at that.
Yeah, so the eggs are going to be made. So, this is one big egg.
Yeah.
Mom, can we make 2 eggs?
Next time, yes, we can. How many eggs is this?
This is 3 eggs cracked.
So there's one for Mommy, one for you and Carolina. That was the plan?
Maybe Carolina had one, but she might be asleep.
Yeah,
okay, guys, if you're wondering who Carolina is, let's go show. Come on, Mom. Come on.
Yeah, I think I have to flip that over, and if you wanted to see a picture to show your sister.
Guys, right now I'm holding the camera, just walking away. If you're wondering who Carolina is, this is Carolina right now. As you can see, Carolina right now is probably asleep. Yeah, she's asleep, as you can see. Don't want to bother her. So let's go back. By the way, our house is pretty small. The next video, we're going to show you around the house. We're going to show you around the house next video, guys.
Yeah, I flipped the egg. You want to see how it looks like after I flip the egg?
Here.
Cover your mouth. Yeah, it looks like it's close to being cooked, huh?
Should we flip it again?
I don't know. It looks like it's thick. You want to give this... Here, there's the flipper. You can flip them for me. Practice?
Oh my God, which one do I flip? We don't know which one to flip. Which one is flipping. Mom, don't drop the camera like that. I'll pick up the camera.
Okay. It's facing the white one, so that's okay.
Yeah, guys, sorry about that. If you're wondering why we put in the bowl, because just in case it gets any spills on the camera might shut down and you wouldn't see the whole video.
Okay, so you're ready? I'm going to flip the little piece.
As you see, she's going to flip it. She flips it.
And then this other piece.
I want to try to flip it. I want to try to flip a piece.
And I think this is the last one, and after that we're going to cook the rice.
No, let me flip the last one. Okay,
Here,
so guys, we're going to let Mom do it. Last time we tried to make a video for one of our projects on technology for one of my classes. I kind of failed.
That's okay. There you go. You can flip that one.
What?
Oop. Be careful, baby. Be careful.
Yep, the eggs are cooked right now. So we'll have to get a plate, Mom.
Okay.
Get a plate and then we'll start
So you will hold this for me so I can get the plate for you?
Okay, wait, where's the plate?
It's right here. Just right beside you.
Okay,
But
so
what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the whole pot.
By the way, if you're wondering what time it is pretty dark outside if you want to see. That's how dark it is outside. It's not daylight saving, don't worry.
And
Oh, God dang it. What did I do?
I don't know, baby. Maybe there's a timer for video.
No. There is a timer, but it wasn't. I didn't do something wrong.
We
No, I didn't do something wrong. As you can see, guys, the eggs are right there. We're gonna scramble the eggs up after. Now it's time to make our rice. No, Mom. We're making new rice.
Oh.
Not the old ones.
Well, we can fry this rice.
Don't do that, Mom.
You don't want the fried rice today?
Yeah.
There's a new rice right there in the rice.
No, we can fry it, but we wanna show them how to make rice, Mom.
Oh, using the rice cooker?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you have to cut off that video because this is just frying the rice. We have to make a new video. We have to empty the rice cooker.
No, we can just, okay guys, see you later. We're gonna pause the video. By the way, sorry for pausing it last time. Okay guys, we are sorry, but we are back now. And this is how the fried eggs and rice looks. And we're gonna see you tomorrow.